Hello everyone, I am Ainal Pathasai. My roll number is 20PT30012. Now I am going to explain the disassembling of the TV remote. This is a TV remote. A remote is an electronic device used to operate another device from a distance, usually wireless. Now let us see what is there inside a TV remote. By using a screw, I am disassembling this TV remote. Let's identify the main parts of the TV remote. This is circuit board, and here you can see this transmitter, which is also known as an LED. This is back cover. These are cells, spring, front cover, and these are buttons. This is the battery cover. This battery cover is injection molded, and these are injection pins. These injection pins are used to push the battery cover out of this mold without breaking this part. And this back cover is made up of ABS plastic, as you can see here, the ABS plastic. Now here we can observe two types of springs. This spring is used to attach this circuit board with this back part, and the second kind of spring is used to attach these two batteries with this back part. This is the button sheet. This is made up of a different kind of material known as serpentine material. This material is used to overcome the excess usage of springs. Actually, we can perform the pushing task without actually using the spring. This is known as transmitter. A transmitter is often a light emitting diode LED, which is built into pointing end of the remote control handset. The infrared light pulses form a pattern unique to that button. The receiver in the device recognizes the pattern and causes the device to respond accordingly. These infrared lights are invisible to naked eye and can be seen using infrared camera as a beam of light. This is the circuit board. It consists of some small parts. As you see, these are indicators, circuit processor, and this LED also embedded into it, and the springs are attached to this. At the back side of the button sheet, you can observe the conductive contacts. When the button is pressed, these conductive contacts connect the small interlocking contacts in the circuit board, and it makes to sense the electrical impulse to the circuit processor. This is the circuit processor, which stores the code library. It also interprets the signals into the switches. So if you want to watch channel 4 and if you push this button 4 and it triggers the connection here, and this thing, the circuit processor, send the signals to the batteries to send power to this infrared LED, and this infrared LED blinks in a unique pattern. This whole board is made up of fiberglass and the layer of copper is applied back, which acts like wire to conduct, and the gaps inside these copper wires acts as insulators. Now finally, reassemble this TV remote. Thank you.